like faggots? In fact, we grew up with faggots. In fact, for our American viewers, just to be clear, we're talking about these delicious meatballs in a very rich gravy, popular throughout the West Midlands and the south of Wales. First thing we need to do is chop an onion. Excellent, Mr. B appliance. Now 2 cloves of garlic. Ow! Smashing! Now we're going to need some meat. So I've got some pork belly, some pork shoulder, and some delicious pig's liver. Okay, Mr. B, I need you to grind your meat.
What? On camera?
Yeah, why not? No! Stop, not that! This isn't a porn show! Use this meat grinder. Nice grinding. Now our meat's ground, we'll add in the onions, the garlic, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of fresh sage, a teaspoon of dried thyme, 3 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 150 grams of breadcrumbs. Now mix. Nice! Now make them into 100-gram balls. That's a good handful. Excellent. You've got some nice balls there, Mr. B. Now that Mr. B's done all the hard and disgusting work, I'm going to put these into a baking dish, drizzle on a bit of oil, and bake at 180 degrees C fan for 25 minutes. Heat 50 grams of butter and a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Now add in 1 medium onion that's been sliced and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add on 2 tablespoons of flour with stirring and cook for 2 minutes. Now add in 500 ml of beef stock, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and a tablespoon of tomato paste. Bring to the boil. When it comes to the boil, turn the heat right down and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Bubble, 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 bubble. Test the seasoning and adjust if necessary by adding salt and pepper. These faggots look delicious already. Pour the gravy onto the faggots. Now cover with foil and bake at 150 fan oven for an hour and a half. After an hour and a half, you can behold the faggoty goodness. Serve with mash and peas for a delicious and hearty meal. So there you are, a tray of faggots. Good to have you back, Mr. B.
Nice to be here, thank you.
Was it good?
It was excellent.
Good. I apologise for my hair. I farted too hard and there was a bit of blowback. Anyway, join us next time. Until then, bye.